In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link on text in Slack. So if you want to add links in Slack, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, I'd like to go ahead and write a text here and then add a link on this text. So if I want to add an attachment under this word, I'll just go ahead and highlight it and then click on this link option. And this will give you an option to insert the URL or the link here. So for my case, I've already copied the link. So I'll just go ahead and paste it here using Ctrl and V on Windows, and your link will be copied. Then to save it, click on save. And now you can see this text has an attachment which is in form of a link. So that's how you can attach a link on text in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.